guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Julia Hair, and if you guys check the info section below, I will have all the information, details, and links provided there. So here is the wig that I have, as well as all the goodies that I received with my wig. Also, do keep in mind that Julia Hair does have their buy now, pay later option. So that way you don't have to splurge all at once. You can definitely break your payments up into 4 interest-free payments, as well as receive free shipping and handling. So once again, this is their wig. This is their new 4x4 air lace closure wig. You guys do notice their new breathable air cap. So that way you can definitely take care of your natural hair underneath the wig. It is the perfect protective style wig. This wig also features their new silicone back, so therefore the wig will lay really flat, as well as it will not damage your nape. And this wig also has their removable adjustable strap and pre-cut lace. So once again, here is what the wig looks like. I will be further customizing this wig in order to look its absolute best. So I will be starting off with bleaching the knots. I will be using my quick blue bleaching powder in my 20 volume developer. I will have everything linked in the info section below. So pretty much the wig that I have is in the kinky curly texture. It does have that 4x4 inch pre-cut lace closure. My wig is 24 inches long, 150% density, and this hair is 100% human hair, which can be bleached, it can be straightened, and it will revert back. So if you guys do plan on purchasing this wig, be sure to use my discount code, which is YTB20, to save 20% off of your purchases.
It's not one thing that you do, but time is precious, wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space, make you wanna stay. Everything just fades away. Put you on fade away. Everything just fades away. Put you on fade away. And everything falls into
So this wig already comes with the lace cut off, and it did kind of give me a bit of a struggle, being that I do like to go in and remove some density along the hairline. So if you are a beginner and you do not care in the world to tweeze your hairline, this is definitely the perfect throw on and go wig. However, for myself, I do like to go in and personalize my wig to my liking, and this was a bit of a struggle. Was it possible? Absolutely. Is it necessary? Not at all. So do keep that in mind. I was able to tweeze it and customize it to my liking, so everything did work out. However, it did kind of pose a bit of a struggle for myself. But this is what the hairline looks like. I just removed very little bit of hair along the front perimeter, and the hairline is straight. It does look like it is at a diagonal for whatever reason, but it is straight. So y'all, I wanted to put you guys up on game. I found this product over at my local beauty supply store, but if I can find it on Amazon, I'll be sure to link it below for you guys as well. But when I tell you guys, this cream styler right here, it is going to have your curls clumped together. It defines beautifully, but the best thing that I like about this product is that it doesn't contain like gel or anything like that, so it's not going to make your hair crunchy and crispy like the natural stylers that we have. But this product is called Wet and Wavy Cream Moist Curl Cream. Once again, if I can find it on Amazon, I'll leave it down below. But when I tell you guys I love this styler, I keep using it, but I never talk about it. But this styler right here is definitely the truth, and y'all have to get up on it. So I went ahead and I let my wig air dry. It took about 2 days just because I didn't have it in front of a fan, but nonetheless the wig is completely dry. You guys look at those curls, they are so soft, no crunchy cast, nothing. But I am going to go in using a little bit of foundation just to tint my lace. So once again, here is their breathable wig cap. You can definitely oil your scalp while wearing this wig, as well as keep cool if you decide to wear this wig during the summertime. This wig also has their silicone back, so therefore you're not going to destroy your nape or anything like that. And I do always appreciate these adjustable removable straps because you can get a custom fit with every wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. You guys see how easily that was. It literally just came right together. Once again, this is the perfect beginner friendly wig. I'm now going in with a little bit of powdered foundation to help define the part, and you do not have to glue this wig down at all. I decided that I wasn't going to use any adhesives or anything like that. You can definitely throw on and go with this wig. You can take it off at the end of the night, so therefore you can take care of your hair underneath the wig. But you guys see how easy that was. I am in love with this wig. It's super natural. I do want to kind of go in and cut the ends just to make everything look nice and uniformed, but just to kind of show you exactly what this wig looks like without any further customizations, and it is still gorgeous. The hair is super soft. You guys look at the shine. It's gorgeous. Oh my god. Once again, you guys do check out Julia Hair. I will have all the information and details located in the info section below. Be sure to use my discount code, which is YTB20, to save 20% off of your purchases. You guys let me know if you guys like this wig. It is definitely one of my faves. You guys see how it just comes on and goes back off so easily, and everything just looks super nice and blended and melted. So once again, you guys check out Julia Hair. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.